Nordic Thingy 91 is an exciting new rapid prototyping kit for cellular IoT applications from Nordic Semiconductor. The kit supports LTE-M, narrowband IoT communication standards and GPS positioning as found on the NRF9160 system in package. The kit comes complete with a SIM card from iBasis, which allows you to connect immediately to just about any cellular network in the world. The iBasis SIM is preloaded with a free 10 megabytes data plan, which can be extended if desired. The Nordic Thingy 91 is a compact kit that is ruggedly built and can be mounted in situ if required. Nordic Thingy 91 is packed with exciting features and functionality. We have the NRF9160 system in package, which has a multi-mode modem supporting LTE-M, NB-IoT across multiple bands for use across the world. It also integrates a GPS receiver which can work concurrently with LTE communications. The NRF9160 has a highly efficient optimized architecture that divides communication and application processing into distinct zones. The application processor is a state-of-the-art ARM Cortex-M33 core, supported by 1 megabyte of flash and 256 kilobytes of RAM. It also features best-in-class security with the inclusion of ARM Trust Zone and ARM CryptoCell. The NRF9160 also has a wealth of peripherals and interfaces, including NFC, USB and an ADC. So let's take a look at what we have on the Thingy 91. Here we have an LTE antenna, which is wideband for the full support of the NRF9160's supported LTE bands. The antenna is supporting the GPS functionality also. There is a nano SIM holder for the SIM card. There is a user programmable button. And here we have some current measurement ports. The Nordic Thingy 91 also features an NRF52840 multi-protocol SoC and its associated antenna. This offers very exciting possibilities for developing hybrid cellular IoT and short-range prototypes together with technologies such as Bluetooth Low Energy, Thread and Zigbee. If we take a look at the board's reverse side, we see there are some user programmable LEDs, a high G accelerometer for measuring impact, a low power accelerometer for system wake-up and movement. The battery included is a lithium polymer rechargeable battery and has a 1.4 ampere hour capacity. There's a USB connector for recharging the lithium polymer battery. There is an on-off switch. There is a sensor for accurate temperature, air quality, humidity and air pressure measurement. There is a sensor for light level and color. There is a user programmable buzzer for creation of alerts. And there is an NFC antenna connector and associated antenna for NFC. Here is a program and debug connector for connecting external program debug devices, such as an NRF9160 development kit. And there are 4 MOSFETs for driving high-load devices such as stepper motors. The Nordic Thingy 91 can be programmed using an external programmer, but it also offers firmware over-the-air upgrades or FOTA. Getting connected and up and running is simplicity itself. Just insert the accompanying iBasis SIM card, power up and follow the online instructions to connect and provision your kit to the network. The Nordic Thingy 91 comes pre-programmed with a richly featured asset tracking example. This allows you to follow and pinpoint your prototype's whereabouts anywhere on the map. Additionally, you can use the onboard sensors to monitor other important parameters. Of course, you can reprogram your Thingy 91 to do whatever you wish also. The Nordic Thingy 91 is available now from our distribution network. It's cellular made easy, it's cellular made awesome.